In this class, we are going to learn how to integrate a function using U substitution method. Okay, let's consider the question that we have on the board. We are asked to integrate the following with respect to x. Okay, the first question we have 1 over 2x plus 4 dx. Okay, please kindly pay attention. Okay, we have integration of 1 over 2x plus 4 dx. Okay, to integrate this function using U substitution method, the first step is that you have to set u equals to the function at the denominator. You understand? The numerator here is 1 and the denominator is 2x plus 4. So I'm going to have let u equals to 2x plus 4. Are you getting it? Okay. Now, having set u equals to 2x plus 4, the next thing that you have to do is you have to differentiate u with respect to x. So I'm going to have du all over dx is equals to, if you differentiate 2x, you're going to have 2, right? Yes. So I'm going to have 2 plus, now if you differentiate 4, you're going to have 0. So 2 plus 0 will also give me 2. Are you getting it? So having differentiate u with respect to x, the next step is that you have to make the x the subject of the formula. You understand? Okay, so now du over dx equals to 2. I'm going to cross multiply, so I'm going to have du equals to 2 dx, right? So to get the value of dx, I'm going to divide this by 2. So dx is equals to du all over 2, right? Okay, now we are done with the first step. So the next step is that I'm going to rewrite this function. I'm going to rewrite it as this. Because now I've set u equals to 2x plus 4, I'm going to have the integration of 1 over 2x plus 4 dx will be equals to the integration of 1 over u. Now, dx is what? Dx is du all over 2, right? So I'm going to have 1 over u du all over 2. Do you get it? So here I'm going to have integration of 1 over u du all over 2. Now, multiply this integral here. I can write as this: 1 over 2 integral of 1 over u du. Do you understand? And don't forget that if you integrate 1 over x, it will give you ln x plus c. Do you understand? Now, if you differentiate ln x plus c, you're going to have 1 over x. Do you understand? And since we learned in our previous class that the opposite of differentiation is integration, and integration simply means antiderivative. Do you understand? So therefore, if I integrate 1 over u du, I'm going to have ln u plus c, right? So I'm going to have integration of this will give me 1 over 2 multiplied by ln u plus c, right? Now, having gotten to this point, the next step is that I'm going to replace u as 2x plus 4. So I'm going to have 1 over 2 multiplied by ln u. U is what? 2x plus 4. So I'm going to have ln 2x plus 4 plus c. So the integration of 1 over 2x plus 4 will be ln 2x plus 4 all over 2 plus c. Do you understand? Okay, now let's look at the second question. We have x all over x squared plus 8x dx. Okay, integration of x all over x squared plus 8x dx. Okay, if you want to integrate this function, you can see that the numerator is x and the denominator is x squared plus 8x. I can rewrite this function as this: integration of x all over, I can factorize the denominator because x is common to this term and this term. I'm going to have x multiplied by x squared plus 8, right? That is x multiplied by x plus 8. What I did here was that I factorized out x because x is common to x squared as well as plus 8x. Do you understand? So for this, close the bracket and put the x, okay? This x will eliminate this x. So I'm going to have integration of 1 all over x plus 8. Are you getting it? Okay. Now we can make use of U substitution method to integrate this function. The first step is that you have to set u equals to the function at the denominator. Do you get it? So I'm going to have let u equals to x plus 8, right? Du all over dx is equals to 1, right? Because if you differentiate x, you're going to have 1. If you differentiate 8, you're going to have 0. 1 plus 0 is 1. Do you get it? Now, having gotten to this point, the next step is that you have to make the x the subject of the formula. So I'm going to have du equals to dx. And transposition, you're going to have dx equals to du. Do you get it? So I'm going to replace u as x plus 8 and dx as du. Do you understand? So integration of this will give me integral 1 over u du. Do you understand? Because u is now x plus 8 and dx is now du. Do you get it? So now, if you integrate 1 over u, you're going to have ln u plus c. Okay? Now, ln u plus c, u here is x plus 8. So I'm going to have ln x plus 8 plus c, which is the final answer. Do you understand? Okay, you can see that integration using U substitution method is simple. Okay, so that is the solution to both questions. By the way, before you go, don't forget to like the video, share the video to your friend, and also drop comments and let me know what you learned in this class.